This is worksheet 19.3, and we're going to solve some log equations. Number 12, and actually all of these problems from 7 through 15, you'll notice the log function occurs on the left and the right side of the equation. So if you're doing the same function on both sides of the equation, then we know that the argument for each of these logs should also be equal to each other. So now, just dropping the logs, I'm going to say that I know that 3x minus 2 has to be equal to x plus 4, because you're doing log on the left and on the right. Solving this is a linear equation, so solving this I get 2x equals 6, so x equals 3. Okay, let's look at number 13. So similarly here, we have a log on the left side and log on the right side. So the argument on the left side and the argument on the right side must be equal to each other. So this is a quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, I can just add 9 over to the other side. And square rooting, I get x equals 3, or x could also be negative 3. On number 15, we have a log on the left, log on the right. So if we set these two arguments equal to each other, 2x plus 5 equals x squared minus 3x minus 9. This is a quadratic equation. I need to set this quadratic equation equal to 0, so I'm going to subtract 2x and subtract 5 from both sides. So that gives me 0 equals x squared minus 5x minus 14. And let's go ahead and check if that's factorable. A times c is negative 14, b is negative 5. So this does end up being factorable, and we have a 1 in front of the x squared, so I'm going to just go straight to x minus 7 times x plus 2. Zero product property tells us that x minus 7 equals 0, or x plus 2 equals 0. So my solutions are x equals positive 7 and x equals negative 2.